Today we will be discussing about this smart white hat method to get paid $100. Our is offering specialized consulting services in a high-demand niche. Let's jump right in. The method we are going to talk about is specialized consulting service in cybersecurity. Step 1. Develop expertise in cybersecurity by obtaining relevant certifications such as CIP, Certified Information Systems Security Professional, CISM, Certified Information Security Manager, or CE, Certified Ethical Hacker. Complement this education with hands-on experience through jobs or internships to build a solid foundation in the field. Step 2. Build your brand by creating a professional website showcasing your services, expertise, certifications, and testimonials. Optimize your LinkedIn profile with relevant keywords, endorsements, and a portfolio of your work. Establish thought leadership through content creation such as blog posts, YouTube videos, or webinars on cybersecurity topics. Step 3. Network and market yourself by attending cybersecurity conferences and workshops to connect with potential clients and stay informed on industry trends. Join professional associations like ISC or ISACA for networking and professional development opportunities. Implement referral programs, encouraging satisfied clients to refer others by offering a referral bonus. Comprehensive security audits to identify vulnerabilities. Step 4. Offer high-value services such as providing compliance consulting to help businesses meet regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI-DSS, and developing incident response plans to prepare for security breaches. Additionally, offer training programs to educate employees on cybersecurity best practices. Step 5. Secure high-paying clients by targeting industries with critical security needs like finance, healthcare, or e-commerce. Submit tailored proposals that emphasize the specific value and security improvements you can provide. Aim for long-term contracts with retainer agreements to offer continuous security monitoring and support. Step 6. Deliver exceptional results by maintaining transparent and regular communication with clients and providing detailed reports on findings, recommendations, and actions taken. Regularly follow up to ensure the effectiveness of implemented measures and offer additional services as needed.